back to my channel. Today we have a video of me cleaning my bedroom and my bathrooms. My bathrooms weren't horrible, but they definitely needed some cleaning. So we're gonna start with in my bedroom. So I washed my daughter's hair and I'm just throwing it into braids, but my daughter is super tender-headed and I just don't know what to do. I've tried being very gentle on her hair and trying different brushes and combs and everything, and nothing seems to work. Still super tender-headed, so I don't know really what to do, and she moves around so much. This is a constant thing. I don't know if I should give her something to kind of distract her or what. If you have any suggestions, please let me know. I'm open to anything.
Always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends. Stayed in bed till Wednesday, fell in love with you right there and then.
One thing I do is I do give her all of the love after I'm done doing her hair, so she knows that I still love her and I didn't really mean to hurt her if I am hurting her.
I was young, couldn't see that. Couldn't see that. Leather jacket. you'd be here. It took me by surprise when I met you in the doorway. I had a friend, you're a friend. Never thought I would see you this soon, but hope she really loves you. 'Cause I swear you deserve everything. Wish that I knew that sooner. We got sober, it was over, but I told you I'll do it all over again. At your place over spring break, a heartache. I'll do it all over again. Do it all over Tell me a lie, and I'll tell you too. I say that I'm happy for the two of you. You wanna be friends, but I don't think I can. But I wanna be happy, happy for
So, once again, yes, I'm doing laundry as always, but my kids are somewhat going to help me. Our son is now having chores, so, well, we're trying to start chores. So, you'll see in a second that he gets sticks that say like good job on them for helping out with his chores and cleaning up his room and helping put away his laundry and everything. So so far he likes it, and we'll see how it goes.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way.
Like I said, my bathrooms weren't too bad, but this bathroom definitely needed done because I washed my daughter's hair and the tub was just kind of yuck afterwards. So this bathroom definitely needed done. The toilets weren't bad, but those got clean as well.
We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here undone.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes city dancing through the night, but I'm not there. You've got me soaring in the clouds, and as the ocean is surrounding me, baby, I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes
Okay, guys, so we're reaching the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and coming back to watch more of my videos. I really do hope that you guys enjoy them and are getting all of the cleaning motivation. And just a reminder, I am posting videos every Wednesday and Saturday. Thank you guys so much again for coming back for videos. Make sure you like, comment, share, and also please subscribe. Thanks. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.